Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Yelp business listing, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your Yelp business listing, begin by visiting the Yelp for Business Owners page. Click on the Login button in the top right corner. If you remember your login credentials, enter your email and password, then click Login. If you forgot once logged in, search for your business name in the search bar. If your business listing appears, click on it to access the business dashboard. If your listing does not appear, click on Claim Your Business. Enter your business name and location in the fields provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your ownership. You may need to provide additional information, such as your phone number or email address. After verification, you will have access to your business listing. Make necessary updates to your listing, such as hours of operation and contact details. Check for any reviews or comments to respond to them professionally. If your listing was removed due to policy violations, review Yelp's content guidelines. Consider filing an appeal if you believe the removal was unjust. To file an appeal, navigate to the Help section on Yelp. Locate the option to submit an appeal and provide a detailed explanation. Be patient as you wait for Yelp's response regarding your appeal. Once your listing is restored, continue managing it actively to ensure it remains visible. Regularly update your information and engage with customers through reviews to maintain a strong presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.